everybody. It's Michael P. Yang coming at you live from beautiful Playa del Carmen.
It's a really cool spot here. There's a
cenote that runs right into the sea.
Look at how calm it is.
It's like glass.
Still have
a beautiful Luna in the sky saying good morning. A lot of undeveloped jungle here. This is on the very... I'm not going to tell you, it's a secret.
But it's not really a secret, but not too many tourists are here. Mostly just the locals.
The sun is already up.
It's up here around the corner. But hope you don't get annoyed with the shaking.
If you do, take a deep breath.
Anyways, I just wanted to share the moment with everybody.
And just a reminder that
we've all gone through some shit. And unfortunately, that's gonna probably take place till the day we die.
But how we process it, how we handle it, how we heal from it,
kind of determines how we live in the now and really truly appreciate the moments where everything is all right. So that being said, look at this beautiful little tree. That's a nice bench. Nice jungle. So here's Playa del Carmen, Mexico, for all you folks that have a bad image painted in your mind of Mexico because of the media. If you watch the media and listen to
all the dirty laundry they air all the time, boy, it paints the world as a pretty horrible place.
But if you open your eyes, you can get a surprise and realize that the reality that you see is completely up to you.
So, for all you that are going through some stuff right now, I'll be praying for you.
Sending some good vibrations, some healing energy, some love, some light, and wishing you a beautiful, beautiful day.
Until next time, uno, dos, adios.